Access granted.
The Kingdom of the Forgotten Wishes. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a magical kingdom called Wish Vale. In this kingdom, every wish that was ever forgotten floated into the sky, where it became a tiny star twinkling above. These forgotten wishes weren't gone. They were waiting, patiently, for the day when someone would remember them and bring them back to life. One day, a young girl named Elara wandered into the enchanted forest near her village. She had always felt like something was missing in her life, though she couldn't quite figure out what. As she walked deeper into the forest, she stumbled upon a mysterious, shimmering well. Curious, Elara leaned over the edge of the well and whispered, "What are you?" To her surprise, the water inside began to glow, and a gentle voice replied, "I am the well of forgotten wishes. Tell me, Elara, do you have a forgotten wish?" Elara thought long and hard. Finally, she remembered a wish she had made as a small child. "I once wished for a pair of wings so I could fly," she said softly. "But I forgot about it because I thought it was impossible." The well glimmered with magic, but instead of granting the wish right away, it spoke again. Wishes don't just come true with magic alone. They need you to remember them and take steps toward them. Forgotten wishes can be made real when you believe in them and follow your heart. Elara was puzzled but intrigued. What should I do? The well replied, "Your wish for wings was a symbol. You wanted to feel free, to explore, to be brave. Follow that dream and you will see your wish come to life." Inspired, Elara returned to her village. Thinking deeply about the well's words, she realized that what she truly wanted was not just wings, but the courage to explore the world beyond her small village. So, she began to take small steps, learning new things, helping others, and finding ways to step outside her comfort zone. Each night, as Elara worked toward her dream, she would look up at the sky, and each night she noticed something magical. The star that represented her forgotten wish twinkled brighter as if cheering her on. The more effort she put into pursuing her dream, the more the star shimmered, casting a gentle glow over Wish Vale. Soon, others in the village noticed the stars as well. Elara shared her discovery, and before long, people began to remember their own forgotten wishes. A farmer who wished for a bountiful harvest started improving his fields. A young boy who dreamed of becoming a storyteller began practicing his tales. And as they pursued their dreams, their stars also began to shine brighter. As time passed, a magical thing began to happen. When someone in Wishvale worked toward their forgotten wish, their star twinkled brighter, filling the night with a soft, ethereal glow. And when a wish was finally realized, the star would slowly fade from the sky, as if it had gently fallen asleep. Elara's star stayed with her for many seasons, growing brighter as she journeyed further from home. But one clear night, after she had traveled far and wide, the star that had once shone so brightly flickered softly and disappeared. Elara looked up at the sky and smiled, for she knew her wish had finally come true, not in the way she had expected, but in a way that had filled her life with wonder and freedom. And so, in the kingdom of Wishvale, the stars continued to watch over the people, guiding them toward dreams, both forgotten and newly discovered. Their soft light reminding everyone that some wishes never fade. They are simply waiting to be remembered.